fine. What about you?
I am good too.
What about your goals?
Yeah, I have completed my engineering, but still I am unemployed due to the COVID 19.
Yes, this COVID-19 had a bad impact, especially on our generation.
Yeah, we don't even have a royal family so that we can start our own business.
Yes, I was also thinking of the same.
Do you have any idea?
Yes, I have an idea. Do you remember we have friends back in school?
Yeah, what about them?
So I have an idea. Let's start a partnership business together.
Do you have any business idea?
Yes.
What is it?
You know the most demanded thing during this pandemic?
What? Sanitizers?
Yeah, exactly. Let's catch up together.
Okay. Hi, man. Fine. Okay, guys, listen. We are here for a reason. We are thinking to start a business as we don't have jobs in COVID 19. So, Sonam and I discussed on the matter and we came upon the conclusion that we can start a business together and we can invest capitals. So, we can start a business.
What type of business?
So, what is the most demanding thing in COVID 19?
Sanitizer and mask.
Exactly. We'll start with sanitizers.
Actually, I have a sample also.
It is very portable and good enough.
But I don't have enough time. I can only invest my capital.
So you can be a sleeping partner. You can invest your capital and you can do your work whatever you want.
I don't have enough capital. I can invest my office hours.
And I can also devote my office hours.
My wife runs a business. We can take a loan from her.
So what about the partnership deal?
Aren't you our friends? We don't need a written agreement.
I am man on my word.
So, is it a deal?
Yes.
Happy birthday.
A few moments later.
भाइयों बहनों, कोरोना काल में हमारे देश को बहुत ही ज़्यादा आर्थिक हानि पहुंची है, किंतु हमारे वैज्ञानिकों की संघर्षपूर्ण मेहनत के बाद हमने कोरोना की वैक्सीन बना ली है। अब हमें ये मास्क और सैनिटाइज़र की ज़्यादा समय तक ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Guys, did you hear the PM last night?
Yes. The news is very good for our country, but it reduces our turnover.
Now to handle the situation, we need to reduce the salary commission which we pay.
By our salary, I have devoted my office hours. We can reduce interest on capital.
I have invested my capital in your business and I am your sleeping partner. So I want my interest. My wife is suffering from loss. I want 10% interest.
Yes, you have to give 10% interest to my husband.
I'm always suffering from loss. I want my money back.
I want my money back.
Now to solve this dispute, we need to study Partnership Act 1932. I know one lady who are expert in this. So, are you all agreed?
Yes.
So guys, this is my friend Priyadarshini Minhas.
Hello.
She knows the Partnership Act 1932 very well. So she will consult us.
Okay, so can you please brief me what is the problem?
I need more profits.
So what is the profit sharing ratio of the company?
We don't have a profit sharing ratio.
So in that case, according to the Partnership Act of 1932, the profit and losses will be shared equally amongst the partners. Any other issue?
I am creditor. I want my money back.
I'm also not a creditor. I also want my money back.
Okay, so before the payment of interest to any other partners, the outsider creditor will be paid first. Any other issue?
I want my interest. I need 10% interest.
So what is the deal? What is according to the deal? How much interest would you pay?
There is no deal.
There is no deal?
There is oral agreement.
Okay, so in that case, no interest will be paid on the capital. Any other issue?
I need my salary.
Okay, so what is the decided salary of yours?
Nothing.
Okay, so in that case, no salary and commission will be paid to any partner. Any other issue?
My wife is suffering from loss. I want 10% interest.
According to the Partnership Act, you can't be paid 10% interest. Instead, you will pay only 6% interest. So, is it okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Now, finally, I would like to consult you all to please have a written agreement and get your firm registered.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's get our firm registered.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Let's go. Hello, madam.
Hello.
Ma'am, we want to register our firm.
Name of the
firm?
Friends Limited.
Partners?
My name is Ashutosh.
My name is Mohammad Arman Khan.
My name is Shabnam Singh.
My name is Sonam.
Nature of business?
Making sanitizers.
Capital invested?
10 lakh.
Your firm is registered.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
I'm
Thank you.